Hey guys, today we're talking about finishing options for your fireplace area. I'm Paul Foster from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So classically you'll see people are applying tile finishes to their fireplaces, sometimes a ledger stone, or often just an accent color in the paint. Here we've opted to go with a Shiplap finish, which is a really nice textured finish, not quite as common, and we've combined it with a nice plastered finish on the hearth and on the finish around the fireplace itself. So it creates a really nice contrast with the texture in the shiplap and the nice smooth finish on the hearth and the fireplace surround. Then we also have a nice stain grade mantle, and you can see we've tied that in to match the color of the floating shelves behind me, as well as the cabinetry up on the uppers as well. And then to round it all off, we have a nice accent color on the base cabinets, and that really helps to create some pop. And then we have a nice neutral tone on the countertops to help tie it all together. So when you're considering your fireplace finish, you can get creative, think about different options that might work for you, and think outside of the box, because it doesn't always have to be tile or stone. This is a great way to finish it off. It looks fantastic and creates a nice interesting focal point. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels.